A kangaroo? You probably see a big animal hopping across a dusty, flat land. It has huge back feet for jumping far and fast. But what if I told you there is a different kind of kangaroo? A kangaroo that doesn't live on the ground. This kangaroo lives high up in the leafy green world of the treetops. It is called a tree kangaroo, or dendrologus. This name means tree hair in a very old language. Seeing one is like finding a secret. It is a fuzzy, shy creature that looks like a small bear mixed with a kangaroo. It is a mystery hiding in the clouds. The very idea of a tree kangaroo is full of wonder. Kangaroos belong to a group of animals called macropods, which means big feet. Their bodies are perfectly made for hopping on the ground. So how did one of their cousins end up climbing trees? Scientists believe that long, long ago, the ancestors of tree kangaroos lived on the ground. Tree kangaroos live in a world very different from their cousins. You won't find them in the dry, open spaces of Australia. Instead, they make their homes in the lush, dense rainforests. Their world is a vertical one. It is a world of towering trees, tangled vines, thick, mossy branches. To live in trees, these kangaroos had to change. Their back legs are shorter and broader. Their front paws are strong, with long, curved claws that dig into bark like hooks. They also have special pads on their paws, like the tread on a tire. One of the most amazing things about a tree kangaroo is its tail. It is very long, sometimes even longer than its body. Instead, it uses its long, furry tail like a balancing pole. When it walks along a narrow branch, makes a daring leap to another tree, its tail helps it stay steady. A tree kangaroo is an amazing climber, moving slowly and carefully up a tree trunk. But what is truly incredible is how it gets down. It can climb down backwards, tail first, like a cat. And if it needs to get down fast, it can jump. Tree kangaroos have been known to leap from heights of 60 feet. They are bold, agile athletes of the canopy. What does a tree kangaroo eat so high up in the forest? It is an herbivore. They spend much of their day resting and munching, slowly filling their bellies. It is a quiet, peaceful life of finding food among the branches. Just like all other kangaroos, a mother tree kangaroo raises her baby in a pouch. The baby, called a joey, is born incredibly tiny. It is about the size of a jelly bean. Right after it is born, this tiny, blind, and hairless baby must make a long and difficult journey. It crawls all by itself through its mother's fur until it reaches the safety of her pouch. The pouch is a warm, safe pocket on the mother's belly. It will stay hidden and protected inside the pouch for many months. After about 6 months, it will poke its little head out of the pouch for the first time. It sees the green world of the canopy, feels the misty air, and smells the forest. It starts to nibble on leaves that its mother is eating, learning what is good to eat. It practices climbing on its mother's back before it is brave enough to try climbing the trees on its own. Even after the joey leaves the pouch for good, it is not ready to be on its own. A young tree kangaroo will stay with its mother for a long time. She teaches it everything it needs to know to survive. She shows it which leaves are tasty and which plants to avoid. She teaches it how to move through the trees safely and how to watch for danger. The bond between a mother tree kangaroo and her joey is very strong. This long period of learning is very important, making sure the young kangaroo is ready for its quiet, solitary life in the treetops. Tree kangaroos are beautiful and mysterious, but they are also in trouble. Many of the 14 species are rare, some are endangered. There are not many left in the wild. One of the biggest dangers is habitat loss. Rainforests are being cut down to make space for farms, towns, roads. When trees disappear, they lose their homes, food, safety. Another serious threat is hunting. In parts of New Guinea, local people have long hunted them for meat, fur. They are also hunted by big snakes, birds of prey. Slow-moving and often resting, they are easy targets. Living high and solitary makes them hard to study. We still have so much to learn about their behavior. They hide so well, we often only notice danger when populations are tiny. Raising one joey at a time means slow population growth. So why save them? Tree kangaroos are vital to the rainforest. They signal a healthy forest. Protecting them protects the whole forest and helps countless plants, animals. People are working hard to help, creating protected areas where forests can't be cut, working with local communities to live without harming tree kangaroos. You can help by learning about these animals and telling others. By caring, we can keep these magical climbers a home in the clouds.